Well, good morning. It's Thursday, October 17th, about 12:15 in the morning. Darren's already here. I just got here waiting on Doug. You ready to make an overnight bonsai run? Well, welcome to windy Nebraska. We're in Greenwood, home of S&S Welding, who builds the best late model truck and trailers there are.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Do what?
The TV right there. Just take it off and there's the rear end one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Drive shafts.
Yep. Yeah, there's your coaxial connectors.
Yeah.
Whatever. It's what everybody said it was going to be. It's just going to...
It needs some TLC.
Yeah, it needs some loving.
So this Alpine, this was this?
Yep. Shy.
Yeah.
And the pins.
What is it?
But I want him to take them out and do the fuel jugs there.
Yeah, I agree.
Dad, to be honest with you, I'd call fucking Chad, see if I can put the shear in our house, and I would just start making cabinet doors. I really would. I'd do damn near all of them. I mean, it literally, once you get set up for it, it's going to be 6-7 sheets of aluminum and just going to town one night. You know what I mean?
I'm surprised the thermostat's over there.
Huh? Yeah.
Where was it? Oh, it was in the
It was in the
station.
I would definitely.
I agree with the TV back here.
LEDs.
Look into these.
Yes, absolutely. And new lenses.
Yeah, the lenses like we had.
I never did understand this one.
What's the upstairs with that?
We need a new light switch back there for the water pump.
Upper deck lights.
It needs LEDs in there too.
If you go up there, see what air compressor it is and what kind of shape it's in.
To be honest with you, this ain't as bad as I thought it would be.
Well, it does have the shelf.
Good, super rich. Quincy. Oh, wow. What? That door definitely needs.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a? Oh, wow. That's cool. It's got a cartridge dryer for the air.
It does?
Yeah. CT30 cam air cartridge dryer.
And I like that they.
Is it Optima battery?
No, but they are massive fucking truck batteries. 2 of them. And they're kind of just floating around up here in the water mess.
Is there anything up there in the shelf?
You know who that is? That's Daryn Klein Racing.
It just needs love, man. I mean, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
I mean, I would, if we get the opportunity to have the Florida guys come, I would say that would be an investment in itself.
What's that?
The Florida guys.
The polishers.
Yeah.
And then I would polish when we can in here. Like, I can take all this stuff off and we can lay it flat.
She's coming home with us. She needs a little work, but nothing we can't tackle. Yep. trailer's got the slide out in it, which is something we really wanted. It's the ultra low deck. So we got more room up top. Where the car goes, the bottom is still the same. We went and looked at that black one the same day this one kind of come about. It was about 5 minutes from our shop. It's beat to heck for what he was asking for and what it needed. It would take 6 months to get that thing race ready, where we felt confident in taking it to the track. So this one became the main priority real quick. And this is going back to Illinois.
See,
Bloomquist beat the shit. I mean, you could, that wasn't even on there hardly.
that, I mean, honestly, the floor's in great shape.
Yeah.
It'll clean up good. Whole thing will clean up. It'll be nice. Very nice. God, you stink. Man, what the fuck?
Dad, I'll buy the aluminum, and you just leave the trailer long enough where I can do the tin work. I'd say, if you polish this shit, if you polish this shit in the back walls and fill all the fucking holes, I'll make the doors and trim it out. It ain't gonna take nothing. I'm telling you, you get sheet metal there and a stop shear. The stop shear is what holds us up.
You think this was an afterthought? Why it's not stainless down there? Or that door's been replaced and they didn't take the stainless off of it?
Probably that. It needs it
Yeah.
to match everything.
That's not that.
No. The weird thing is it's a different height.
Different height, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you get this polished up, this thing will fucking nuke.
The thing is, when the tires are on, this one you're not going to see.
No, I'm talking this one,
This one,
countertops.
It'd be nice to put a shelf across here or something.
To be honest with you, I'd take this out, and then I would put a...
You don't think we're going to need the 4 tires there?
No, Dad, I don't.
24 tires total.
Yeah, we only own 18.
With the...
That's fine, but as long as you don't think it's none to take out.
No, I would take it out, and then I would make some sort of... Either I would turn it into a workbench like our old one, or I would put in a workstation to do tires, like aim it this way, where you could put a tire hanging right here and sit here and work on a tire.
And
They used to have a vise there.
you could put the fridge right here.
I think put the fridge back here, and then you hide all these fucking bullet holes. Bullet hole. We don't need this for anything. The TV we're gonna put back up there. And then you could bridge this, and I don't know. See what ends up happening.
This has got a lot of potential though.
Correct. You could do anything with that. We could build a worktop down the road for it. That's what I would do. That's what ours was they built just a workbench on top of it, which would be nothing. I mean, it'd be $20 a tubing and $100 in a countertop and $50 in aluminum.
Well, let's think it out. We got a lot of. I mean, you got air, you got your work, power, everything's there. We had to measure the refrigerator.
Yeah.
That might not fit there.
Oh, 100%. They will.
Oh yeah.
This is all UT shirts, is what I was gonna say. You know, because our totes, our main totes can all go back here.
And here.
Yeah. You know, if we want, we don't have a spare motor to carry, so here, Dad, these.
with you. Got a lot of ball holes in it.
Yeah.
But we could definitely fill them. Yeah. They're everywhere.
Inside the truck's basically just like our old one. Same shower. Sink's a little different. Same bathroom. Got the 2 bunk beds. TV. Makes a couch, or makes a bed, makes a bed. Bed up there. So this deal's been in the works for, I don't know, 3 weeks. Kind of all come together rather quickly. Well, it's 20 after 6. We are back at the shop. Drove nice and easy, rode good. The bezels, the back door lights.
I follow you now.
What you guys got on or off? I can't get the generator on.
Loading both cars in. One's already in there. Putting this one in. This is going to Daryn's house, so he can have the cars out there. He's probably going to keep the trailer for a little bit. We'll go pick up the truck, bring it back here, so we can start working on that. It looks like we're going to put all new cabinet doors on it. It seems to be what the plan is right now. But that's always subject to change. So we'll see what happens. All in all, happy with it. Well, you happy with it?
Very. Needs some TLC, but we'll get through it.
Give it 3 months and we'll be a lot happier.
Yeah. A little bit of sheet metal work. Figure out what's going on underneath this thing.
It was a good day.
Yes, it was. All right.
You're not gonna do tires, right?
No. It's a foot pedal right here.
Okay.
For the tilt.
Is there any like lights in the floor?
No.
Really?
I don't see any.
Okay.
Then we're gonna get at it.
So
That's your tilt.
okay, so you already had it down.
Yeah.
And then
It is a 389, isn't it?
Daryn's first time driving it.
Right turn. Right turn. Opposite and left. Cut it. Oh, I don't have that. You gotta take the air brake off, dummy. Edit that out.
Oh no, that's going in there.
Gosh, damn.
Hey, give me a toot toot.
Hey! Killed in traffic.
Do what?
Killed in traffic. I don't.
I didn't kill it in traffic. Never killed it. That thing sounds good. There goes the parking lot. Oh! A lot of you have been watching for a while, maybe asking why'd we get rid of our old one? And why are we going back to a liftgate trailer? Well, that's one piece of the puzzle we're trying to put in place for next year. That was a major piece of the puzzle there for what we're planning on doing next year. Don't have everything buttoned up or set in stone yet, so we're not gonna give too many details on that. There are a lot of things that we missed about that liftgate trailer this summer. One, the shade. Two, the light that you have from the door working on the car at the racetrack. Working on in the dark sucks. Three, it's like a mobile rolling garage. I mean, you can have enough stuff in the trailer and not be tripping over it, where everything has its own spot, and basically rebuild the car. It can carry 2 spare motors, just the right amount of tires. We missed the quality of the S&S. Not that there was anything wrong with the Intech, but we missed the truck part of it for sure. So that's kind of the factors that went into this. You happy with it?
Happy with it.
What's your thoughts on it?
I love the peak. I love the peak.
I love the horn, love the cackle. It definitely drives great, rides pretty dang good. Didn't sway all over the place like the last one did, and we have learned that because of the peat, the tires are out in front of you more, giving you a longer wheelbase instead of right at your feet. That helps with the swaying and the white knuckle, both hands on the steering wheel going down the road when a semi comes around you or you go around something big. Experienced that a little bit today, but they were 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts, so when it would hit, you were just hold on and try and keep it in your lane. Nothing of the truck's fault or the way it's built. You're just driving 2 billboards down the road, so it catches a lot of wind. That's going to do it for this video. Like I said, week or so we'll get the truck back here. We're going to be doing some work on the trailer at Daryn's house, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a line. Let us know what you're thinking. Catch you all later.